Sever ties with PR company. Keung to surrounded by fans for a group photo. The premiere of the movie My Heavenly City took place at Elements Mall. The sponsor Catch took to Instagram at night to issue a statement, announcing their decision to sever ties with the public relations company, MediaLink Entertainment Limited, and stating that they will no longer collaborate with them in the future. They also expressed apologies to all affected members, indicating their dissatisfaction with the arrangements made by the PR company for the premiere event. Catch mentioned, "We left the premiere early to express our discontent, but the premiere event of My Heavenly City, sponsored by Catch, has concluded successfully. Thank you for the support of all our members."